Siman Kuf Yud Aleph Sif Daled. A barn or a chicken coop, which you place grains to feed the animals. In that situation, you would not have to do a bedika on that area. And the reason is that there's two sveikas. It's a sveika. First of all, maybe those grains did not turn into chametz. Right? The first step is that those grains, they would have to turn into chametz. And number two is that even if they did turn into chametz, or some of them did, but maybe the animals ate those grains. So since you have a sveika, the Rabbanim were not mechayiv you to do a bedika in that situation. However, if you gave actual chametz to the animals to eat in the barn or the chicken coop, then you would have to check those areas. And the reason is that you only have one suffix. Since there's already chametz that's already made that you put into the barn or the chicken coop, so there's only one suffix whether the animal ate all of those chametz. That's not a good enough suffix, and therefore the Rabbanim would mechayiv you to search those places. Sif Hey. When we do bedikas chametz, you have to check all of the nooks and crannies of your house. And even the pockets of your clothing have to be checked. And that's true also for the kids' pockets of their clothing, because it's very possible that they put food inside their pockets, and chametz. And therefore, even after you already cleaned your pockets beforehand, still, by the time of bir chametz, you have to shake out the pockets of your clothing onto the pile of what you're going to eventually burn as bir chametz. Sif Vav. The rooms that you're selling to a goy for chametz still have to be checked for chametz. And the reason is that the sale is not valid until later after the zman of the chiyuv of bedikas chametz. And therefore, since the night is still a chiyuv of bedikas chametz on all the places where you still own chametz, you have to check those rooms even though you're eventually going to sell them to a goy.